Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO T2 Pro and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and first of all we have to make sure that we are on the video mode. So let's tap on the video, which is next to the photo of course. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution. So let's simply tap on it, and as you can see we've got three different options for the resolution, and we can also change the frames per second. Currently we've got 1080p option applied, so the FHD. And all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. You can pick 4K, which is UHD, and 720p, which is HD. It's of course up to you which option you will pick. Whenever it is highlighted, it means that it has been applied. You can also check it on this icon, and from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.